Hello everybody, this is Tommy from Capital Discount Nutrition. Today I wanted to discuss Empyrean Nutrition's new and improved Insapro. We have this at all of our locations. This is our #1 protein for building muscle. This is a pulse recovery as protein, carbohydrates, and a powerful antioxidant to help protect your cells from oxidative damage and also help increase the absorption of your protein and your carbohydrates. So how is it new and improved? Well, #1, the taste is amazing. Better than all the previous formulations. They added more whey protein isolate, 13 grams in 1 scoop, and in 2 scoops, 26 grams of whey protein. There's a blend of whey protein isolate and then undenatured whey protein concentrate. And they do the CFM process, which stands for cross-flow microfiltration. That basically means that they use porcelain microfilters to remove the lactose, fat, and impurities without denaturing any of the amino acids. That's really important because many companies don't disclose how they filter out the protein, or they'll do a proprietary blend of different ways that they process the protein, like anionic exchange, CFM process, or they'll use a lot of adjectives like cold process, which really doesn't mean anything. CFM process is a patented process, and it's something that you want to see on your protein because that's going to ensure that you're getting the best quality whey protein for your buck. So the carbohydrates in there, maltodextrin, dextrose, 2 of the best carbs to help replenish your glycogen levels. Glycogen is the energy of the muscle, so when you're working out, you go into a glycogen deficit. So it's really important to get your carbohydrates and your simple sugars right after the workout. It's one of the only exceptions of replenishing the body with simple sugars is right immediately following a workout. And that's going to really be beneficial, especially for subsequent workouts, because you're going to notice that you're not in that glycogen deficit. You're going to notice an increase in energy immediately upon taking Insapro. Your energy levels will go back up. You'll start to feel better. Your muscle cell volume will increase, and all-around recovery is there for you. And then the NA-R-alpha-lipoic acid. Now that's nature's #1 antioxidant. That helps elevate glutathione levels in your body. Glutathione is the most potent amino acid antioxidant that protects mitochondrial and cellular DNA from oxidative damage. Gene mutations from carcinogenic chemicals continually bombard our body. Each cell gets hit with 10,000 free radical strikes a day. That's in the medical literature. So ensuring that we have enough vitamin C, E, and glutathione, where we get those replenished from antioxidants, is essential for recovery, but also essential to protect our cells from oxidative damage and continue to make sure that those gene transcriptions are going smoothly and that there is no interruption in that. So there's a whole new research in science called epigenetics or nutrigenomics that studies the effects of nutrition on our cells, and antioxidants are at the forefront to help replenish our natural defenses against carcinogenic chemicals, endocrine disrupting chemicals. Basically a carcinogen can create a DNA adduct with your DNA, and that can cause negative transcription of certain genes that you don't want expressed. So the NAR-alpha-lipoic acid is excellent to help protect your cells from oxidative damage. It's going to help increase your ability to absorb protein and carbohydrates. It's insulin mimetic, meaning it mimics insulin. So basically, more or less, your body can use less insulin to get the nutrients into your cell. That's essential. It's really important. That'll help clear the blood of excess glucose and protein and ensure increase protein synthesis. And then it's a really good anti-inflammatory. It works with your inflammatory pathways to naturally help control inflammation. So this is great to have the NAR-alpha-lipoic acid to prevent DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness, which many bodybuilders and powerlifters experience. So having something like that to naturally just reduce that inflammation can make you more mobile and flexible. You feel better. So if you're looking to build muscle, Insapro, it's amazing. This is by far one of our best proteins for increasing muscle hypertrophy or the size of your muscle cell. Get some of the most absorbable proteins in there. The reason the whey protein CFM process is all the research is pointing that whey protein isolate and concentrate is the best blend to have right after the workout. Whey protein is not only a rich source of branched chain amino acids, where you get almost 6 grams of leucine, valine, isoleucine per serving, but it's also a rich source of conditionally essential amino acids like glutamate, which is really good for digestive function, especially for your microvilli that absorb nutrients in your small intestine. And then it's essential to get bovine serum albumin, lactoferrin, glycomacropeptides, the protein subfractions that are essential for boosting your innate and adaptive immune system, improving your digestive functioning so you're absorbing more nutrients, helps with their CACO2 cells, which are their gold standard as far as absorbing nutrients in your digestive system. So Insapro, pick it up. It's at all of our locations. If you're looking to build muscle, put on size, or just if you're in CrossFit, doing high-intensity exercise, post-activation potentiation training or KATSU training, which I'm really intrigued by. I think it's excellent. When you really do break down your muscles, you're going to need a good post-recovery with protein, carbohydrates, and an antioxidant. Insapro is going to be your best bet. Thank you.